Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today's video is special for gamers who loves to play free games. So here is an app which is Epic Freebie Games. Using this app, you'll be able to find out which games are running free in Steam, Epic, and many other platforms. So here you can see on top we have two free Steam games, and if I scroll down, you can see there is an Epic game too. And if I scroll down, there is another Steam game, and there is more Epic games, but they're not currently free. The offers have expired. So you'll be able to see Steam games, Epic games, and from many other platforms. Now, if I click on filter over here, you can see I have only enabled Epic Games, EA, Microsoft, and Steam, but you can also turn on notifications from all the other stores. However, I am not active on those stores, so I have turned it off. But if you want, you can get free games from every single store that is here in the list. And these games are completely free for limited time. You can just claim these games and they will be added to your library. So this is much more convenient than cracked games, because while downloading cracked games you have to search the web for authentic source. But then again, they're cracked games. What authentic source are you looking for? Most of the time you might end up downloading games that are infected with malware, and then it might affect your system too. So you can try out free games by using this application. You'll be able to find out many free games from this page, just like this, and add them to your library. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like these.